Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys in class today. Here we learn and have fun, and I know you love fun. If you do, I want to hear you scream. Today we'll be looking at the multiplication table, and as a reminder, if you have not watched my videos on addition and subtraction of numbers, please do. Okay, now today we'll be looking at the 2 times table. There are so many methods that you can use to master the 2 times table, but one thing that I've discovered is that these methods, even though they help you to easily master the 2 times table, in the long run they make you become very slow in multiplying numbers. That is why I have come up with my method. This method will not only enable you to master the multiplication table, but will also help you to be fast when multiplying numbers. Now, before you use this method, the first thing you do is to write out the 2 times table. Okay, so let us write out the 2 times table. So you have 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2, this gives 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4 equals to 8, 2 times 5 equals to 10. Then you continue. 2 times 6 is what? 12. Then 2 times 7, 14. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9, 18. 2 times 10, 20. 2 times 11, 22. Then finally 2 times 12, equals to 24. Okay, let me write it all. Now, so what I want you to do now is write out this multiplication table on a piece of paper. Now, when you are done with that, then I want you to memorize 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 4. Okay? Memorize from 2 times 1 to 2 times 4. Take your time to do that. Memorize the part I circled. Now, after memorizing it, close your eyes and see if you can recite it to yourself. When I say recite it to yourself, I mean recite it like this: 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. Now, after reciting it, and you were able to recite 2 times 1 to 2 times 4, you can open your eyes and memorize the next 4 sets. Meaning, you can then memorize 2 times 5, 2 times 8. You memorize the next 4 sets. Okay? Then after memorizing the next 4 sets, which is 2 times 5 to 2 times 8, and I want you to close your eyes again and try to recite it to yourself. When I mean recite it to yourself, I mean recite it like this: 2 times 5, 10, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 7, 14, 2 times 8, 16. Now, if you are able to recite it like this without looking at your paper, it means you have been able to master it. Then you can open your eyes and memorize the last 4 sets. Memorize the last 4 sets, which is 2 times 9 to 2 times 12. Okay? Memorize it. Then close your eyes and recite it to yourself. Then after that, I want you now to memorize everything from the beginning to the end. That is from 2 times 1 to 2 times 12. Try to memorize it. Then after that, close your eyes, recite it to yourself, and see if you can remember all without looking at your paper. Now, if you have been able to recite it from 2 times 1 to 2 times 12, it means you have mastered the 2 times table. All right, children, it's fun time. Now we'll be having a mini competition. Now I will give you a question, and the fastest, okay, to say the answer will be applauded by over 1 million students worldwide. Children, are we ready? All right. What is 2 times 8? Yeah, you got it. 2 times 8 is 16. Anyway, he was the fastest. Now I want you to give him a round of applause. All right, let's look at another one. What of 2 times 5? Who will be the fastest this time around? What is 2 times 5? Wow, we have a new champion, and she was the fastest. I want you all to clap for her. Don't worry, we have one more round. What if I gave you something like this? What of 2 times 7? Wow, you guys are so fast now. You are just too fast. I love that. Clap for yourself, everybody. You all got it correct. Okay, let's look at one more. What of 2 times 11? I hear somebody say 22. Yes, you got it correct. Clap for him, everybody. Wow, I'm really excited here because you guys are getting it, and you are getting it so fast. All right, let's look at one more round. What if you were told 2 times 12? What would be the answer? Yes, I can hear her say 24. You got it correctly. A big round of applause to her. I'm so excited. You guys are super fast now. All right, let's look at one more before we call it a day. What of 2 times 6? Wow, I can hear somebody say 12. That is absolutely correct. Clap for her, everybody. All right, here we have come to the end of this lesson. If you love this video, I want you to hit the like button and subscribe. And as a reminder, in the next lesson, we shall be looking at the 3 times table. Bye, everyone.